Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, today is our maths class, and our topic is small to big and big to small. So, children, we have already learned about this concept, small to big and big to small. So, today we will do some revision work. So, children, what is the meaning of small to big? Small to big means when a group of numbers are given in ascending order. This means they are given in order from smallest to biggest. The smallest number comes first. Okay? Small to big का मतलब है small number से start होते हुए big number तक आना. Okay? And what is the meaning of big to small? Numbers are said to be in descending order when they are arranged from the biggest to the smallest number. When numbers are put in descending order means big to small. Okay? So children, big मतलब बड़ा नंबर, स्मॉल मतलब छोटा नंबर. तो बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर तक इसका क्या मतलब है? बिग टू स्मॉल मतलब बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर तक हमें उसको नंबर्स को अरेंज करना या उनको लिखना. ओके, सो लेट्स रिवाइज इट अगेन. सो चिल्ड्रन, नाउ हियर आई हैव सम नंबर्स. So what we have to do? We have to arrange these numbers from small to big. So children, here we have small number is 1. Okay? यहाँ हमारे पास number 1 जो है small है. After that 2. Then 3. Then 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8, okay, 9 and 10. So this is the concept of small to big. Small number से big number तक. ओके, ये कॉन्सेप्ट है स्मॉल टू बिग का. ओके ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, नाउ आई विल शो वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. सो हियर वी हैव 1 2 3 4 5 नंबर्स. ओके, सो वी हैव टू अरेंज दीज नंबर्स इन स्मॉल टू बिग. सो विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर? स्मॉल नंबर कौन सा है? ओके, सो स्मॉल नंबर इज 4. ओके, 4. Then what comes after 4? 5. Then 6. Then 7 and 8. Okay, so this is the concept of small to big. मतलब छोटा. Small मतलब छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर तक. Okay, now I will show you some example of the concept of big to small. Okay. Now, so children, now we will arrange these number in big to small. Okay, big to small. अभी हमने small to big में हमने numbers arrange करे थे. अब हमें big to small में करना है. तो सबसे बिग नंबर कौन सा है? बिग नंबर इज 10. ओके, 10 नंबर इज बिग. देन 9. आफ्टर दैट 8. देन 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So this is the concept of big to small numbers. Okay, so 10 is a big number. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the number 1 is the smallest number. Okay, do you understand this concept? Big to small? Okay. Now again we will arrange these numbers in big to small. Okay, big to small. So which is the big number, biggest number? Tell me which is the biggest number? Yes, it is 9. Okay, then 8, 7, 6 and 5. Okay children, so this is the concept of big to small. This is big number, biggest number, and this is smallest number. Okay, now children, this is your homework. Okay, you have to do in your maths notebook. So what you have to do? You have to write the numbers from small to big. So children, यहाँ पर जो numbers दिए गए हैं, आपको इनको अरेंज करना है. You have to arrange these numbers in small to big like this. So which is the smallest number? It is 22. Okay. After 22, 23. Okay. Then 24 and 25. Okay, so children, you have to do like this. Okay, now next, here we have some numbers and you have to write the numbers from big to small. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको big to small numbers आपको arrange करने हैं. You have to arrange the numbers in big to small. Okay, so which is the biggest number? Tell me. Yes, 12. Then what's come before 12? It's 11. Then 10. 9. Okay, so this is the concept of big to small. हमने यहाँ big number से small number तक लिखा. Okay children, so this is your homework. You have to do in your maths notebook. So this is our revision work also. Okay, small to big and big to small. Okay children, so we have already learned about these concept of small to big and big to small. So you have to do this work, okay, in your maths notebook. Okay children, so bye bye and take care. Have a nice day.